Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Masud Rana from ThemeDev. In this video, I will show you how to install and active the Cleanly plugin and also how to active the license step by step. So this is my cleaning website. As you can see, now I want to receive online bookings from a customer, and for that I need a Cleanly booking plugin. Cleanly is a very good booking plugin, especially for cleaning services websites. So I already have the Cleanly plugin and the license. Now I want to show how I can install this plugin. So this is my website, as you can see over here. This is Cleanly website, and this is the website backend. And I also have booking plugin downloaded here. As you can see, the plugin and plugin file, and this is the license. Okay, now I have to upload this plugin, so I have to go the plugins menu. As you can see here, just click add install plugins. Okay, and now add plugin. Now I have to upload this plugin, so click the upload plugin, choose the file. This is my plugin file. Install now. Okay, click active. Okay, now the Cleanly booking plugin is activated, and as you can see the left sidebar, we can see the menu, and here now I have to active the license. So click the active license. Okay, now I have to enter the license key. So I have a license key. So here the license, I have to just copy this license key, copy and paste here. Okay, then click the active license. Okay, our license is activated. Now I have to configure the other things. So for that, now the second step, business info, I can enter the all business related information like type of business. We can select over here my business type, like business or corporate, then company name like ThemeDev, then website URL. Actually, this the my website URL. Like I just copy the website URL, paste here, then here the address. Okay, second address. Okay, then city, state or zip code. I just input zip code, and here business country. I just select Bangladesh. Then next. Okay. Now the payment setup. I just select a currency, like I use dollar, then currency position, like I can select before, by default, and current symbol, I can use a USD symbol, then next. Now the fourth step is a booking form. Now I can select the page, which page actually I want to show the booking from. So I can select, like for example, contact page. Then I can select content position like after or before. I can select after, or we can select no content, only booking form. Okay. And this is the my account page selection process. Here I have to select the my account page. For example, I can select about page for display my account, and after then I can change this everything. Okay, content position, before content. Okay, then next. Okay, now our plugin are almost complete, and in this step I can see the introduce cleanly video over here. If I click, then I can see the quick overview video for running a cleaning and staff. Okay, and as you can see the right sidebar, here is cleanly booking documentation link, here is support link, here is also see the premium support link if we need. Okay. Also, here the many option we can go to the Facebook community for if any need it, or here also can see the quick link. Okay. And now I can go to the settings. Okay. And in the next video, I will show you the all settings for Twingly plugin. So until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.